So I'll show you how to undo edits, redo edits, and delete splits in Capcut. Let's head over to our Capcut. We click on new project. Let's use this one for example. Click on add, and here it is. This is the video we are going to be working with. Now, if you made a mistake, let's say you went to cut out this place, you clicked on splits, and you made a mistake, you didn't intentionally click on the split, you want to undo what you did. So instead of going to start afresh to edit your video, come to this place. There's like an arrow facing the left side. Just click on it. That is the undo button, and of course that split will go away. If you feel like you want to reverse back to the split again, click on the icon, the arrow icon facing front, that is redo. So let's click on it. The split has come back again. So this one is for undoing, and this right one is for redoing. This. Notice this splits here, this. So I want to remove the splits. I'll undo it, and that is how we continue. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.